Hello students, for the standard 7th we are going to look now chapter number 8 students from your grammar book. The lesson name is object, that is direct and indirect object. We are going to find out here students from this lesson. So look here, a word, phrase or clause that shows the person, things, etc. affected by the action of a verb. The underlined words or phrases is the following sentence. So you are going to look what action word students. Whatever here sentences are written here, cake, newspaper, cricket, him, these are the what object students, right? So we are going to look direct and indirect object. In the first, second, third sentence, words cake, newspaper, cricket are affected by the action of baking, reading and playing respectively. An indirect object refers to the person or things to whom or for whom the action is done. In the sentence number what 4 and 5, us and him, for whom done, for whom, to whom or for whom. Look this, okay, that is called indirect object, the action of teaching and giving as done for those objects. So first three are what, first three what, direct object, and 4 and 5th indirect object. So identify the object of the verb, state whether the direct or indirect. Her simple appearance belied a sharp and nimble brain. So here you will look, brain is the direct object students, right? Second sentence students, the teacher had liked this respectful intelligent girl from the beginning. Girl is the direct object. They stubbornly disliked Malti. Malti is her direct object, because this is what students, as I told you students here, these objects are directly or affected by the action. Look now, these are the affected by the whatever here objects till now we have seen that are affected by the action, okay. And indirect, you will find a person or thing to whom or for whom the action is done. Respect, here it will be responsible, the action is responsible for what, object, okay. Third number, Malti, this direct, the camel follow the fox, this also direct object. Till now we have seen direct object students, okay. Look now, go and get me some food. Me, look now students, me is the indirect. Why it is, the action is done for here whom, for what, for whom, for me, okay. And food is the affected by action what, go, okay. That's why go is the direct object students. But I could make a meal for the king. Meal is the direct object. Could I speak to your news editor, indirect object students. News editor, to your news editor. News editor is the indirect object. Could I speak to your, but whose or whom, you can say news editor, okay students. We are sending you, you is the indirect object. Official invitation is the direct. Affected action is, it's these objects are affected by the directly what, action students. So this what, direct object. Next page we are going to look students. See, ninth number, the importance of selflessness is the direct object. 10th number, underline word them is the direct object. 11th number, this the amount is also direct object students. 12th number, them is the direct object. Example number 13, as I underline here, your neck is the direct object. 14th number, his order is also direct object. 15th number, its target and the animal, these both are direct object students. 16th number, rabbit is the direct object. 17th number, he may free ticket. Him is the indirect object and a free ticket is the direct object. The problem, direct object. Revolution, direct object. Faraday is the indirect object. To whom give, Faraday is the name given, that is direct, indirect object. An impossible task is the direct object. Him is the indirect. A piece of Bavarian glass is the direct object. 21th number indirect, direct. 22 direct. 23rd is also direct object. 24th, 25th, 26th. Till now, 35. I have written here all the answers, students. So you are going to write all the answers in your notebook in good handwriting, students.